Here's the story. Back on September 9th, 2024, Kyle says a mechanic, furious over a payment dispute, showed up at his house and went completely off the rails. According to the lawsuit, this guy kicked doors, made violent threats, and even slammed an SUV toward Kyle, nearly running him over while neighbors watched in shock. But when officers arrived, instead of arresting the alleged aggressor, they cuffed Kyle. The filing claims deputies ignored witnesses, skipped over video evidence, and charged Kyle with aggravated assault, despite signs he was only defending himself. And it doesn't stop there. Kyle says deputies went overboard during the arrest, throwing him down, pressing their knees into his back, and slapping on cuffs even though he wasn't resisting. The lawsuit argues that deputies were motivated, at least in part, by his last name and public profile. Basically, Kyle and his wife, Ashley, believe law enforcement saw a reality TV star arrest as a quick way to grab headlines, regardless of what really happened. In the civil complaint, Kyle points directly to violations of his Fourth Amendment rights and says the ordeal left him physically hurt, emotionally shaken, and damaged in reputation. His legal team put it bluntly: no family should face criminal charges or intimidation for protecting themselves at home. They're framing this case as bigger than just Kyle. It's about accountability, and they're not backing down. Kyle and Ashley are demanding a jury trial, $1.7 million in damages, plus attorney's fees. At the same time, Kyle is still fighting the original criminal charges, which means this is now a two-front battle, one in criminal court, one in civil court.